Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make scrunchies without sewing machine. If you are new on this channel, quickly hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. The materials I'm going to be needing are satin fabric, matching color of thread and needle, safety pin, measurement tape, Tailors chalk, elastic, and a pair of scissors to cut the fabric. I measured and cut at 26 inches length by 5 inches width. The length is 26 inches and the width is 5 inches. Now I'm going to fold the fabric into two like so. So the wrong side of the fabric is facing upward. Now from this point I'm going to mark out about 1 inch. Can you see that? If you want to stitch with your sewing machine, you are going to mark exactly 1 inch. I will also take that to the other side and mark out about 1 inch. Okay, this part I'm going to be marking at, I'm not going to stitch it. I'm going to skip that. Okay, so if you have your sewing machine, you are going to take that to your sewing machine. You skip that part where you mark at and then you stitch all the way through to the other edge of the fabric. Remember, the wrong side of the fabric is facing up. So for the sake of those that do not have sewing machine, this is how you are going to stitch. You are going to skip this part, then you start making your stitches from this part like so. So I'm making a running stitches, but it's very tiny, or it's a tiny type. So please ensure you are using a matching color of thread. I'm going to take this in, out, in, out. Okay, so if you observe closely, my thread is not fat, it's just 2 strands. Can you see? So I'm going to continue with the running stitches like so. After stitching, I will knot the thread and cut out the excess thread. Then I'll get my safety pin to turn the fabric to the right side, like so. You may want to use your scissors. I see. So I may want to trim out this rough part, this fraying part. You just trim it off. Can you see? So now I'm going to get both tip of the fabric like so. So I'll place it on each other like so. Then I'm going to arrange it. Can you see? Then I'll get my needle and my thread. I'm going to be stitching like so. So you take your needle and your thread. Can you see the way I'm placing the fabric? Can you see that? So I'll take my needle and my thread in, out, like so. Okay, so you just go ahead and continue with the stitches, or continue stitching. Then you open this up and also stitch this part. This fabric frays a lot on the edge or edges, so when you want to make your stitches, you have to be careful and you ensure that you are skipping about half an inch from the tip. And this is it. So I'm going to tie the thread now and cut out the excess thread. So if you have your sewing machine, you want to stitch that part, can you see? So once I'm done, I'm going to turn it like so to the right side. Can you see that? So this opening is where I'm going to be inserting the elastic. Now I'll get the elastic and measure at 7 inches. So this is the 7 inches elastic. I'm going to get my safety pin and insert it like so. Now I'm going to place both tip of the elastic together like so. Then I'll use my needle and my thread to stitch it. So after cutting out the excess thread, I'll push that in. Can you see? Now I'll get my needle and my thread to cover up this part. I'm going to be making invisible stitches on that part. So I'm going to pass my needle like so, and then I'll bring it out from here. Can you see? Then I'm going to seal up this part. Can you see? So you want to ensure that your stitches is very neat. You want to stitch that. So basically you are going to be tacking it in such a way that the thread will not be visible. Can you see that? Now I'm going to drag. I could also bring that out here. This part is open, so let me just tag that down. So I'm going to pass the thread, and then I will knot the thread and cut out the excess thread. If you got value from watching this video, please endeavor to hit that like button, comment on this video, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed.